Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide AWeber beginner tutorial step by step. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. AWeber is a popular email marketing platform that helps businesses build and manage email lists, create newsletters, and track email campaigns. If you're new to AWeber, here's a step-by-step tutorial for beginner first. We click Create Account to complete the sign-up process. Let's discuss Feature First Messages tab. To use the feature, navigate to the Messages tab and select Draft a Message to create a new email. Choose a template or start from scratch using the drag and drop editor to design your content. Once you've customized your email, select your recipients and either send or schedule the message. Email templates. You can use an AWeber by going to the Messages tab and selecting Draft a Message. Choose a pre-designed template from the library or create your own using the drag and drop editor. Customize the content, images, and layout to suit your needs before saving or sending the email. Setting up a campaign. Go to the Campaigns tab and click on Create a Campaign. Use the Visual Builder to design your automated email sequence, specifying triggers and conditions for when each email should be sent. Once your campaign is ready, save it, and it will automatically run based on your defined parameters. Managing subscribers. Go to the Subscribers tab where you can view, add, or remove contacts. You can segment your subscribers into different lists based on their interests or behaviors for targeted messaging. Additionally, you can tag subscribers to better organize them and tailor your email campaigns effectively. Creating a landing page. Navigate to the Landing Pages tab and click on Create a Landing Page. Choose a template and customize it using the drag and drop editor to include your branding and content. Once you're satisfied, publish the landing page and share the link to capture leads and grow your email list. Setting up integrations. Go to the Integrations tab and select from a variety of third-party applications to connect. Follow the prompts to authorize and link your accounts, allowing data to flow between AWeber and the chosen platform. This enables you to automate tasks, such as adding new subscribers from your website or e-commerce platform directly to your AWeber lists. I hope this make easy for beginner. If you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started, so be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for watching.